Hi, I'm Dr. Parminder Kaur. I'm from Motherhood Fertility Center. I'm a graduate and postgraduate from Government Medical College, Srinagar. Have done my DNB from Sector 16, GMSH, Chandigarh. Then I did my fellowship in reproductive medicine under Dr. H.D. Pai for last 7 to 8 years in Fortis Bloom, Mohali. Presently, I am working as a consultant at Motherhood Infertility, Sector 43, Chandigarh. If I talk about this in the present moment, I just can't imagine myself anywhere other than being a doctor. So when your patients come to you and they are blessed with the blessings of Almighty, of course, and a little contribution from our side, the happiness, the hug they give you and the emotions they share with you, that is the most rewarding thing in this world. I just can't tell you, and I can't express the feeling when a couple comes to us with infertility of maybe 10 years, 12 years, and they conceive. The spark in their eyes, the happiness in their tears, like it's beyond explanation. And that is the most rewarding thing as a doctor. The only one line is that if it is your passion, then only become a doctor, because it demands much more than only study hours, and like you have to give your 200%. 100% is little. So you have to dedicate yourself, because this is a profession in which even the slightest error is not acceptable. So when you dedicate yourself and you are sure that nothing will come in between you and your patients, then only you should opt for this career. So most of our patients, they always leave an impression in our mind, for sure. But recently we have had a patient, I cannot divulge the details, but she was from Japan. The patient is an Indian and she was working in Japan. She had 3 IVF failures in Japan. And I don't know, she came to us, she was in a real stress, she was depressed. Then a lot of counseling was put in. We spent a good lot of time with her. She was really in a bad shape. First, it took us a lot of time to take her out of her mental state, make her positive, and Almighty has blessed us all in such a good way. I can't just tell you, she conceived in the first attempt. So you can imagine the amount of happiness it gave me, because 3 IVF failures in Japan, and she comes to India and she conceives in her first attempt. Like it was as if I was representing my country. So it was a proud moment for me.